Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to switch between personal and business TikTok account. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok application and go to your profile from bottom right corner. This is my TikTok profile. Here you have to tap on hamburger menu on the top right corner. Then you will see settings and privacy in the bottom. Tap on it. Then in the settings and privacy section, you will see first option account. So tap on it. In the account section, you will see third option switch to business account. So select this option. Now from here tap next, next, next and next. After that choose a category. I am choosing education and training. After that tap on next. Here you can also add your email. I am skipping for now. Then you can also add a bio. And after that your personal account will be switched to business. Just tap here and you can see my account is successfully switched to business account. Now I will switch it back to personal account. So tap on hamburger menu on the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy from the bottom. Here tap on account. And in the account section you will see the option switch to personal account. So simply tap on it, then tap switch anyway. And you can see my TikTok account switched back to personal account. And this is how you can switch between personal and business TikTok account.